Hi everyone, it's Kathie here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 40 by 50 centimetre canvas, and I'm going to do a flip cup. So there's my cup, and that's a splotch. I have cobalt blue, gold, white and black. That's it. In this white I have put some isopropyl. I think that's how you pronounce it. In this cobalt blue there's a couple of drops of silicone. There's nothing in the black or the gold. And I'm just going to flip this and it's going to be beautiful. She says, and that, and I think the last of the white might do me. Okay, can I scratch some of that out? I bet I can. Quite a lot actually. Always leave a heap in the cups if you don't scratch them out. You're just wasting the paint. Unless of course you're going to reuse the cup, but I'm not. So, where'd my paper go? There it is. And here we go. Oops, some splurched out. That's okay, we'll get over that. Wow. Just give it a second. Go down, go down. I think it has. What I did, I'll show you. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see, how good is that? Yep. That's 3-in-1 silicone spray lubricant. And I spray it into the cup. And as you can see, the paint lets go the sides. You do get a few little cells out of it, but it's really good for getting all of your paint to go down. So, let's see what we have here. I'm all going to dribble out. And see, hardly any paint left. But I'm still going to have that bit. Only because I can. But that's got most of that paint out of there. And come on, don't be sticking to that. Actually, I might give this something here to rock and roll on. Only because I've got it here. Alright. The recipes for these paints and pouring medium you'll find below, show more under the video. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us there. Just taking this to the corner and over. And then I think down this way. no growling, no barking, no nothing. Okay, so just checking all the sides. What's with that? Stop it. Right. Okay, so whilst it is very nice, I am wondering what it lacks. So I'm going to wipe my hands off and give it a second to settle. I might even give it a bit of a torch in a minute and just have a look at it. Let me see. Okay, let's give it a torch and just see if we have anything in the cell line that wants to come up. Really, but there was 1,000,003 air bubbles, so at least they're gone. I like this corner, so I'm not going to bother too much. And you know, I think I'll just do what about a blue and gold ribbon? I wonder how that would look. Because I have the blue and I have the gold, like that. Take it around a bit, give it a stir. Start over here. That didn't help at all. I'm going to swipe it because I'm unhappy. What a shame, there's only parts of it that I like, but actually what I might do is wipe it with that blue. So I'm going to put some isopropyl in the blue. Give that a stir in. And then pour it right the way across. Okay. There's one. Oops. Okay. Now a nice big tilt. Coming along quite nicely. I'm really starting to like this. And I'll bring it back the other way. Have to get stuck. Alright, I just want some blue in here. Stuff as well. Coming along very good. So far so good, it's behaving itself. What an amazing... This is going to be something really special. I'm going to let this one dry and use it for a background. I've got a few ideas running around now. So yeah, just give that a bit of a second. Some more blue on that bit there perhaps. Now, let that settle for a second. I thought that would have come down onto that, and it didn't. Right. Alright, so that is brilliant. I am really happy with this. So I'm just going to wipe my hands off and give it a little, let's do this corner first. Then give it a little torch and just see how it goes. Because it's an amazing background. So I quite like that one. I'm just going to wipe my hands off and then I'll torch it and see if I got any cells. I don't care, but I do know that there's some air bubbles, so. bubbles, and it also brought up some cells, little caterpillar ones there. Some people don't like, but I do. I think they're alright. So I'm going to bring it down in a second to have a look, but what I'm going to do with this one is let it dry, and then I'm going to put it aside somewhere for a while and think about it, because I really think it will make an excellent background. And you should always think that, you know, sometimes you think, oh, that painting's not much chop, but if you just keep it for a little while, that's what I'm looking at, and think about it, and you can just add things to it perhaps, and have it as a background. It's a really good thing to do. And people see it and they say, oh, what are you doing with that? And you say, oh, I don't know yet. It's just a background for something, and they can give you ideas. Ooh, that'd look nice with a, you know, a blah 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 on it. And you think, huh, okay. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I'm going to just show you my little caterpillars. That's if they'll come up. There's one there. Can you see? And where's the other one? Oh, over here. Focusing camera, please. Doesn't want to. Well, anyway, take my word for it. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up videos into YouTube. And thanks very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.